Okay, so I'm trying to take this drive belt and blade cover off. It's a real pain in the butt, but pretty much you take off the hydraulic pump belt there. In order to do that, let me show you. Come around. So it's got 3 bolts. Let me get up here. You got 1 bolt back here, you loosen that, and then there was a bolt on either side here. I think it was 9/16. And you loosen up both of those, and then this will move around. Once you move that, then you can get the belt off here. And then you got to take the engine mount bolts off, or loosen them, I mean. So those are under here. You loosen all 4 of those, and then once those are loose, you get a strap, a ratchet strap, wrap it around the bottom of the engine there on the legs. Make sure you're not crimping any wires or anything, and then you just ratchet it and it moves it over, and then this is loose and you can take it off. Alright, so next you got to take off the center nut here, and that is a reverse thread, and it's on there super tight, so I had to get a long breakover bar to break it loose. And then hopefully once I untighten that, then I can take these wheels off, and then I'll be able to get to this box and unscrew that. Alright, I got the wheel off. Looks like there's 4 bearings inside there, and then you got a washer on the back, and of course the 2 that were on the front. That belt comes right off now, and then I am going to take these 4 bolts off so I can take and replace this. Okay, so I've replaced the blade cover, tightened up those 4 bolts. So now I'm going to put the wheel back on. Make sure I have that washer on the inside here. And then the 2 washers on the outside. Alright, so I got this nut back on. Got the 2 washers underneath it. I put 140 pounds of torque on there, and now I've got to pull the engine back over. I got that belt put on, the new belt. So I should just be able to crank this and it'll slide over. There we go.